Okay, so we're gonna work on this new strategy today called whoa, slow, go.
Okay.
And I know you've been working on decoding with Mrs. Schwartz lately, and so you're learning like what words mean and how to solve them. So a whoa word is a word that like I've never seen this word before. I'm not sure how to pronounce it. I don't understand what it means. So what you might do there is like you might ask for help pronouncing it. You might look it up. You might try to read around it so that you can solve what it means. A slow word is a word where like I might have seen this word before, but I'm still not exactly sure like how to pronounce it. So you might say it a couple of times, or you might go back and like reread around the word to see if it can help you solve it. And then a go word is a word where you're like, yeah, I know what this means. I got this. Okay? So let's practice. We've been learning about erosion. So let's practice reading some of these and coming up to some words that maybe are whoa, slow, or go words. Okay? So let's start here.
Rocks that form directly from molten. What's this word right here?
Material.
Material are
Igneous rocks.
igneous rocks.
Okay, so we thought you earlier when we were talking, you said, what is this word? So we talked about directly. So if somebody directly tells you something, what does that mean?
To do that thing right away, or that is like right there and that we need to follow through it.
Yeah, like if somebody's giving you directions, right?
Yeah.
Like, so would you say that directly is a whoa, a slow, or a go word for you?
I would say a go, now that I've learned now what it means more.
Okay, so now that we talked about it, if you saw this word again, you would understand what it meant and you would be able to say it, right? Okay, so then we got to this word, molten material. And so it's talking all about rocks and the earth. So is molten right now a whoa, a go, a slow, or a go word?
I would say a whoa.
A whoa, because you're not sure what it means. It doesn't give you a lot of context to figure that out. So it might be one that you ask about and try to like learn more about. So molten material is like down by the earth's core. Remember how it's
Like molten lava?
yeah, like molten lava. That's a great example. So it's not hard, it's like soft, it's hot, right? So molten material. And then igneous is a type of rock. Okay, so that's something we might need to learn a little bit more about, because we're going to learn later on this, like in our seminar time, about like sediments and stuff. So we might learn about that. So right now, if we were to put directly would be a go word, right? Molten
Would be a slow.
would be a slow word, because I think after we talked about it, you kind of understand it a little bit more. And igneous might still be a whoa word. So that might be something we need to look up and learn more about. Okay, so I want you to read the rest of this article, and I want you to continue kind of collecting whoa, slow, and go words.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
Sounds good.
Okay.